Hey y'all, so the hair that we're working with today is from Gorgius.com. So this box is just so freaking cute, but inside the box it comes with the hair bag, of course, with the hair, and this cute little goodie bag. Inside the goodie bag it comes with a pair of tweezers, an edge brush, 2 clips, bobby pins, because we need them, and it also comes with this extra elastic band. Now onto the hair itself. This hair is their Luscious Bubble Curl Wig with Bang, 8-inch in the color Auburn. So I want to go ahead and show you guys their construction of this wig. It comes with an elastic band already attached to the wig in the back, and it also includes about 3 to 4 of the clips. Alright guys, so off rip, I'm a little nervous, okay? It's not me. Play with this a little bit and just kind of see what I can come up with, but this is just what it looks like, just putting it on. Alright, so I went ahead and grabbed my spray bottle and I'm just gonna fluff it out a little bit. Off top, it's definitely not my style, I'm not even gonna lie. But I also feel like it has potential. So let's see how we can play with this. Okay, call me crazy, but I actually kind of like this. This is a really great wig if you are new to wigs and just want to try something different. This is the perfect beginner wig because you literally only have to just slap it on and play with it until it's to your liking. And you can also, you know, spray a little bit of water if this is just a little too much for you. But overall, I actually really like this wig, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie, because it's actually really cute. So if you're looking to purchase this wig, make sure that you check my description box down below. I also make sure that I put my coupon code right here on the screen so that you can get some money off of your purchase. Let me know what y'all think about this. It's definitely a great wig for a natural look. Like, if you're looking for something that's super natural and just not doing too much, this is definitely it. Y'all, when I showed my sister this hairstyle, she sounded like Tina Turner, so she just FaceTimed me when I was doing my hair. So I'm about to call her back and see what her reaction is gonna be this time. Let's see if she is liking it. Call her. No, I don't like it. You on YouTube, come for now. Well, she still don't like the wig, obviously, but yeah, she says it doesn't look, I don't know. I like it. I think it's cute. I think it's really cute. But yeah, So that is the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you are not subscribed to my channel, make sure that you go ahead and hit that red button so that you are subscribed to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time that I post a video. So I will see you guys in the next one.